Hi everyone, in this video we will see that how student can start quiz in OpenEduCat and get the results based on their grades. So first of all, you can go to your student login and enter your username and your password for the student. You can go to login after that. Once you're in the students, you can go to exams. You can see your quiz there, so you can click on start exam. You can go to start exam again. Now you can start selecting your answers for the questions in this quiz round 3. So you can answer your first question, you can answer your second question, and you can go ahead and answer your last question. Now after answering all your questions, you can click on finish. So you will get the message saying thank you for your quiz, your answers are recorded. Now you can go to your menu for the admin side and you can go to your quiz menu. You can go to your quiz tab and you can go to results. And you can click on the particular quiz which has been answered earlier. And you can double check your answers and your results there. So you can see your correct answer, your wrong answer, and you can go ahead and click on done. So that's all being done for you. So this is how student can start quiz in OpenEduCat and get the results based on the grades. Thanks so much for your time.